Yes, baby, here. Who is that? Say good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, have a good day. All right. Hi, Fairs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, baby. What is this? I. All right. Say bye.
For that.
Forehead. Where's your forehead? Where's forehead?
For that.
You guys, I am up. Tyler is fed, had breakfast, and baby's off to work. Forehead is here.
For that.
Yes, forehead. He's on his tablet learning body parts. Tyler is fed, baby's off to work, and I am going to get a little workout in. I'm 10 minutes late, 10 minutes off my usual time to start, but I'm just going to run and do it just now. What is that? Eyes. Yes. I'm going to run and get it done. I'm not going to run this morning. I think I'm going to skip, do some abs, but I'm getting something in because today is going to be I have less time to get things done before I head out to drop Tyler to the daycare and head off to work and all that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what you do. Run, skip, jump, do something, okay? Just do anything at all. So yeah, stay positive, stay motivated most of all, and doesn't matter what. Let nothing steal your joy. Let nothing stand in your way of being great. Okay? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Body part. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go and get my workout in right now. I don't think I've been recording. I've been here chit-chatting. You guys, workout is done and I feel accomplished, but I'm tired and things have to be done before I leave the house. So I'm actually in the kitchen right now making some dinner and lunch. I have some fish here. This is actually white fish which I seasoned, and I have breadcrumbs here which I'm going to slightly coat it in and fry it for dinner and lunch or whatever time of the day we choose to eat it. I just want to make sure that there is food in the house so when I come back from work tonight I don't have to cook. Okay, and so babe can eat if he's hungry and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and get this prepared before I go and feed Tyler lunch, put him down for a nap, and get ready for work and all that. So a lot of things to get done, so let's go. And these white fish, they're very soft and they don't take long to cook, so I have to be very gentle when I'm cooking them. You can see it's so good. Don't that just look so yummy, you guys? Oh my god, so yummy. You guys, this is what I mean when I tell you that this fish doesn't take long to cook and I have to be very gentle with it. Just what I was running from, it started crumbling, which means it's time for it to go. Lunchtime for Ty, and he's having quinoa and fish. Fish! There you go. You ready? You guys, I am all set and ready for work, and I'm about to go pick out my little nuggets outfit for daycare and then pick him up from nap because he's napping right now and go get him ready so we can go and catch the bus. Hey Fizz, I am back home from work. Yes, Mama is back home from work and baby's running right Yeah, baby's getting his workout in. Just now when I came in the house, I said, babe, you look so tired and exhausted. And he said, honey, you don't understand how I feel. And I said, all right, don't worry, run today. And he said, nope, I am going to do it. I'm so proud of him for saying that. I really, really am. And he's running. Yes, I'm really proud of him so much. I love you much. Sweet boy. Tyler is repeating everything that I said. So baby's getting his workout on. I just got in. I got my workout finished this morning. And I think I'm going, yes, morning. Papa is working out. Papa 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 working out. So I think I'm going to have dinner right now because I'm hungry. Come on, babe. Week number 3. I can't believe it's babe 3rd week. I thought it was his 2nd. Come through here, babes. 3 weeks consistently, honey. Well, yeah. Yo, did he just say hold on, mama?
Run,
Ty, run! Run! Yes, Ty! Through Professor Delaveau. You're Professor Delaveau?
No.
You guys, can you tell I'm tired and tomorrow morning is my early morning to go to work?
I wake up in the same time than you, so.
You don't normally wake up.
No, it's just because this last 2 weeks you did extra hours.
Yeah, but even when I usually wake up, you normally wake up when I'm leaving out.
What time you start? 6:30? At 7?
7 tomorrow.
And then you leave 6:30, yeah.
Yeah, but you normally leave when you normally wake up when I'm leaving?
Not at all. This morning I woke up at 5:40.
Okay. Alright, you guys, since tomorrow is my early morning, I already packed Tyler bag, get out his clothes, so babe won't have to do that and all that stuff that I have to do. Who friends one? That mean they're going rock up?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, flag turn up.
Next year I woke up.
So Neymar just played? Oh no, because he can't play for France.
Neymar is from Brazil.
Okay.
Brazil already qualified.
Yeah. Okay. So
Jamaican not qualified.
shut up. I already do. Already pack everything I have to pack for Tyler, and I'm super tired. I'm super tired right now. So I'm just going to give you guys a Jamaican expression. Oh, babe, I'm super proud of babe. Super proud of babe. If you guys only know how proud I am of babe.
Thank you, that means.
He did so well working out. He ran non-stopping and I was cheering him on. He did so well.
Thank
He
you.
did super well.
That means a lot for me.
Oh. I'm so proud of him, you guys.
I try.
If he continues like this, I'll have a chiseled man soon. I'll have him back the way I get him. I mean that in a nice way. You guys, a Jamaican expression. I just had the Jamaican expression in my head.
To tell it.
It's gone.
It's gone, so go catch it back. You can be
Oh
fun.
my god.
You want the French expression?
Yes, go ahead and give the French
So the
expression.
French expression for today is avoir une faim de loup. Avoir une faim de loup means when you're hungry. You say avoir une faim de loup, like super hungry. I think that the English, I won't say translation, but the English expression similar is like to be hungry as a horse. That's that.
Yes.
Okay, so the French expression will be to be hungry as a wolf. Is not the horse that we use, is a wolf. Wolf. So let's see who is the more hungry, the wolf or the horse. Say it. Avoir une faim de loup.
Avoir
Avoir une faim.
une faim.
Faim
Faim
de loup.
de loup.
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 Right.
Loup is wolf?
Yeah, loup is wolf.
Okay.
So to be hungry as a wolf. Wolf, 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 wolf. Better than horse, horse, horse.
The Jamaican expression for today is it never too late for a shower rain. It never too late for a shower or rain. It's simple saying in English, it is never too late for a shower of rain. Say it never too late.
Never too late for a shower rain.
Yo, babe, I'm gonna stop you, babe. Jamaican expression.
I'm here say Jamaican patois. Jamaican patois.
Listen, he's hurt. He fight right now, okay? Nothing is hard for him anymore. Never too late for a showering. It's an encouraging phrase. It's simple saying. Never give
Can't be
up.
wrong.
It's never too late to do something. It's never too late to do something. So never give up. Keep trying. And God's timing is always right. It's never too late for your shower. It's never too late for your showering.
Never too late.
Never give up. It's never too late. If you're trying to get pregnant, don't give up. It's never too late to get pregnant.
What's wrong with you and your pregnancy baby fever?
If you're trying to get a man, don't give up. That man is there for you. So keep looking, okay?
Is
Anyway,
that specific something for somebody?
Oh.
I don't know. I'm asking you.
Anyway, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys.
Did you make an expression? Goodbye. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Comment down below. And we'll see you tomorrow.
What's the last thing you're supposed to say before you say that?
Bye.
What's our phrase? What's our slogan that we use? The one slogan you're supposed to remember. Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Have a good night.